Hey guys, it's Jye Read from O'Brien Real Estate in Mornington with another edition of the Peninsula Property Weekly, where you'll find real estate information on the house. Melburnians' confidence has taken a bit of a dive since the new lockdown restrictions began, but largely business and consumer confidence across all other parts of the nation remains positive about the outlook. These two graphs here show the V-shaped rebound that we've been experiencing since the lows of March, although that sentiment in Melbourne has ebbed in the last week. There's also been some concerns about hotspots emerging in New South Wales. However, the New South Wales Premier has ruled out implementing stage 3 lockdown restrictions like we haven't seen in Melbourne. The recovery in consumer spending is occurring outside Victoria. According to CBA, card spending in this week in July 10 was up 7.2% on a year ago, although Aussie consumers do remain a little bit wary about spending on big ticket items like luxury cars. The sales numbers across the state were again strong, despite no open for inspections and on-site auctions being allowed in the Metro Melbourne area. We still saw 256 auction results captured, with 62 selling before the auction, 97 selling under the hammer and 4 selling after. 30 passing in and 63 withdrawals, giving us a healthy clearance rate of 63.67%, which is around the market has been for the past 6 weeks. Private sales transacted across the state and saw high numbers again, with 1,141 selling during the week, only down from 26 from last week's high. Moving now to reviewing our numbers across the O'Brien Real Estate Network, we also experienced our best week since early March. We're seeing strong interest not only in sales but also in property management space, with many engaged customers in the market. Over the week we saw listing numbers hit pre-COVID-19 highs, with 81 properties launching to the market, 79 properties moving to under contract, and 72 sales confirmed across our network. And our highest sale price for the week that was achieved was $1.26 million. It looks like Victoria will continue to dominate the focus for the nation until we see the trend in cases subside. In the news abroad, US stocks have had 3 consecutive days of solid gains, although rising cases across many states. June US CPI inflation rose more than expected, suggesting the deflation period may have ended for now. Housing starts and retail spending will be released later this week, which will provide direction for the US stock market. For those considering their property position, we're offering a free service called an Equity Health Check, where we'll assist you with providing comprehensive insights around price, loan, insurance and depreciation of your investment property, so you have the right information at your disposal so you can make the most informed decisions when navigating through your real estate portfolio this new financial year. That's all for another week. I'm Jye Read. Thank you so much for taking time to review the week that was. And remember that O'Brien Real Estate is not a financial advisor. You should consider seeking your own independent, legal, financial or taxation advice in relation to your own unique circumstances. Thanks so much for watching another Peninsula Property Weekly, and I'll see you next week with more updates.